like a little tiny Japanese restaurant, little hole in the wall, and having this quite yummy, very rich and decadent ramen, miso based ramen. So pork and egg. We thought we had to pay for things that went in it, but we realised that we just doubled. We paid for extra toppings. So quite a lot of food.
Yeah. There's these cool little things to fill up with just right there. Little details. There he is.
Look at the line, Daniel.
Wow.
Pretty long. Well, we're out here with the men's group and me, and this is Brian's food, and we've got jellyfish, intestines, which maybe are clean. I don't know. I think liver, egg, celery, mushrooms.
What's it? Here we have a sour and spicy. The Lion's Paw meatballs.
The whole family is here now. They're all over the place. So my parents are here, my brother's in Indonesia. My sister's in Latvia.
And apparently this one is so fatty that Justin's mum would help him eat it because it's too unhealthy, but it tastes good.
I'll take a photo. We're good. It's probably healthy for you.
Yeah.
What do you think, Virginia?
Well, it's very gingery. It makes me think that I'm like I've got a sore throat or something.
Like sesame balls in a ginger soup.
Try the sesame roll.
Really hot.
Really well. We'll take the staff area if we got a back on the staff area.
The atmosphere actually more scary than the
Than the actual.
It's still funny.
Yeah, funny. What do you reckon, Virginia?
What?
Mobile softie. Do you want an ice cream cup or a soft cream, ice cream, or jumbo orange?
Getting Chinese New Year edition red bean custard pie.
Today's Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day, first Valentine's Day ever in Hong Kong.
Yes.
And what'd you get me, love?
The same one as we had in New Zealand.
Yeah, this is our Hong Kong version. He's an engineer. Here with the girls. Well, I won't do your face, but what is this, Charlotte?
Turtle back shell jelly.
Turtle back shell jelly. So, I'm sorry people back home, but this is a turtle. A ground up turtle in jelly form. It's got that crunch, though. It's okay. I just can't believe I'm eating turtle. Okay, Daniel, what have you got here?
Some kind of amphibious dessert.
You don't have to finish it.
Tastes better.
Don't finish it. Flora and Daniel are here with us. And Flora got us Tim Tams.
Yeah.
Nostalgic.
And bite the end off the other side.
So Daniel's
And
teaching.
then it's like a straw. And it goes.
But it destroys the inside. It makes it all mushy.
So now it's like all mushy. Just like one sip and it goes really
And
mushy.
yeah.
And then it's like a Tim, they would call it a Tim Tam steak.
This is really good. This might be one of the tastiest things I've had in Hong Kong.
Nice. So many things.
Oh, it's boiling. It's ready to go. Jim has arrived.
After this.
Seafood going in. Calvin's in charge of it. Oh, Isaac, you're gonna eat some duck blood? Duck blood, duck blood.
Get off! No!
Don't die. Whoa! All that blood. All that blood. Happy birthday to Daniel, how do you feel about looking at these guys?
No, they have no idea that people eat them.
Turtle.
What is it? Creepy, disgusting tree. Just some perspective where we live. This is 7 floors up. We've gone for a walk. There's the port down there, and then over there, that's Lantau Island. It's the bridge to where the airport is, and it's just a concrete jungle. As far as the eye can see. And they're like massively tall, these buildings. This is our dim sum today. Xeon is featuring. Out here supporting Kylie's daughter.
Great game,
This is the hype. This is the hype king. Found this little rooftop bar.
Yeah, you can
With
see
you. Nathan Road. We're the only ones here. It's kind of nice. We just got some churros. So yeah.
Oh, Virginia found a lovely rooftop bar in the centre of Jordan. Look at this amazing view.
It's very intimidating when you realise how high up we are. And we're here with our chicken.
Yeah.
Churro time.
On the rooftop bar.
With chocolate. So we'll give it a go and tell you. The meat's nice.
Beautiful. Oh, yeah.
It's not bad.
Good meat. And it's Faith's birthday today.